Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about Waplog, and I'm going to show you in this tutorial how I mod the app and how I got the free coins, and I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can do it also, you guys. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. It works for the both devices. I already tested in my iPhone and also in my Samsung, with which I'm recording with it right now. So today I'm going to show you the steps with my iPhone. The same steps is working also for the Android users, guys. So if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, just let me know in the comments below, guys, and I will do a tutorial for the Android users if you want me to. All right, so steps are the same, so I don't think you can face any problem, but anyway, if you want me to, I'll do it for you guys without a problem. So guys, I'm just going to open real quick the app. I'll not stay too much inside of it, just to show you what I'm talking about. And with this method you're gonna be able to get also this amount of coins. I'm just going to show you one more time, as you can see right here in the corner. So if you want to get it also, just follow this tutorial until the end. You're gonna be able to understand all the steps you have to follow, right? So before we start, guys, all you have to do is just need to make sure you have a good connection with internet. So it will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and also have active the mobile data, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. So to be sure about that, just go to the settings, guys, scroll it to the battery, and then background up refresh. Make sure you're gonna select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Like this, you're gonna be double secure with the internet, so the whole process will not fail. All right, so after you check this one, all you have to do is just need to go to internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer, guys. You just need to go to search in the searching bar about the site where I find it out, this mod. You just, okay, here it is, enter inside of it. Inside of this site you're going to find a lot of other apps, a lot of other games, mods, and so on. If you're interested for something else, you can check later and you can get it the same way I'm showing you the steps right now for the Waplog. All right, so I will just go here in the searching bar on the top and search about the app. Here it comes, guys. Press in the middle, press the green sign, download now. It will start the loading process of the mod. So by the end of this process, guys, you're gonna be able to install the mod. It will start to generate the coins same as me. So this might be the video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.